Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to just customize our themes. So I'm going to show you before you start building your dashboard, after you might have done your sketch and all of that. So you have in order to avoid like doing some things repetitively, like changing colors repetitively, changing font sizes repetitively, you have to just customize your themes once and for all so that you won't have to do all that. So let me show you how to customize your theme. So all you need to do is to come to view. So you click on view, then you can see all your themes here. So you can select one theme to use. So let's just leave it as at this default theme. So then we will go down here to customize current theme. Right. Customize current theme. So these theme colors, if you're not comfortable with them, then you have to change them. Your color 1, your color 2. So all these colors matters. You can just change some of those colors. So let me go back to my Adobe themes. For this, I'm going to use the theme that we are going to use for creating these visualizations. So let me go to my library. This is my libraries. So I have this, I think it's this one. So this one, I'm going to copy this color and use it as my color 1. So my default, any chart I create, it automatically comes up with this color. It automatically comes up with this color. So I'm also going to change some of these colors here to what I have here. So just for consistency. So I'm going to pick this. I'm going to change this to my, let me change this to maybe color 4. Apply. Okay, I haven't changed that. So let me go back and copy this, come here, just paste it here. So it changes. So I come back again, pick this. Let me make this my color 8. My color 8. Then I come back here. So let me pick, okay, I think that is all I want to pick. I leave the rest as is. So on my advanced, I leave these elements, these colors, just as they are. Now I come to my text size. So I come to update theme. I click on update theme. The font size, I leave it as 10. Title, maybe I take this to 13. Cards and KPI, I reduce this to 23. So leave the color as black. Font color as black. Yeah, I leave this one as bold. My tab headers, I make it 13 as well. Then for my visuals, my background, I take the transparency to 0. My border off, header, so I leave it as is. The tooltip, I just leave it as is. Now I come to page. Wallpaper, I take the transparency to 0. Page background, I take the transparency to 0 as well. Then on my filter pane, so I leave the filter pane as is. So I just leave everything here as is and click on OK. Right. So these themes have already applied. I might have done some things that I might not have forgotten to do here, but essentially this is everything. So you can save this theme, or you can save this theme on a JSON file like I've saved here, so that you can use it for any other report you just want to apply these themes on. So this is how to change your theme and everything related to it on Power BI. So that will be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.